Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to forward emails automatically to another email address. Open Microsoft Outlook and go to the Home tab. Look for the three horizontal dots on the toolbar. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Rules from the list. This will open up the Rules menu where you can manage your email rules. In the Rules menu, click on the Add New Rule option. This will prompt you to create a new rule for managing your emails. Give your rule a descriptive name that helps you identify its purpose. This could be something like Forward to Personal Email or Auto Forward Rule. Choose a condition that determines when the rule should be applied. For example, if you choose Apply to All Messages, the rule will work for every email you receive. Specify what action should be taken when the condition is met. In this case, select Forward to as the action, which indicates that the incoming emails will be forwarded to another email address. In the field provided, enter the email address where you want the incoming emails to be forwarded. Make sure to type the email address correctly to ensure that the forwarding works as intended. If you want to exclude certain emails from being forwarded, you can add exceptions to the rule. This step is optional and depends on your specific requirements. You can further customize the rule by adding additional actions and conditions as needed. Now click on the Save button to save it. This will activate the rule and Outlook will automatically start forwarding incoming emails based on the rule's criteria. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.